Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, but this time instead of a Stitch Fix I'm doing the Vegan Kind Lifestyle box. So if you didn't know, the Vegan Kind Lifestyle box you can buy as a one-off every month, or you can get a subscription. And so for my birthday last year, or for Christmas, one of the two, I asked my mum for the subscription to have one every month, and there we are, that's what I have. So this has just arrived, so I thought I would share what's inside it, because I never usually do. Usually I just rip it open and start eating the contents almost immediately, because that is the problem with this box. You get 5 or 6 items inside. The box itself, I think, I'm not sure, because like I said, it was a gift. I believe it's £10 a month, but I'm not sure. So I think the items inside will cost more than the £10, obviously. Otherwise there'd be no point. And most of the time, a lot of it is food. There are some other things. I've had like soap before. I've had like a cutlery set, a reusable cutlery set. All sorts of things can be inside because it's a lifestyle box. But when there are things like biscuits and chocolate, I eat them within the space of 24 hours because it'd be rude not to. So let's get opening. This box is really heavy. So let's see. My box was carefully packed by Susan and then checked by Dorota, I don't know how you say that name. Inside, which says the things you're getting, and then it has a recipe card. This one is for vegan blueberry cheesecake, and advert for vitamins, which I'm not going to bother with. Whoa, there's a lot in here. What's that? There's a lot in here. Right, let's see. So the first thing we have is Well and Truly Crunchies Punchy Pickles Baked Corn Snacks. These could be similar, I guess, to Monster Munch, pickled onion flavour. I don't know. Punchy pickles. I'm gonna open it on camera, okay? I can sample it and then I can close it and seal it and eat it another day. They look a bit like a knick-knack. Oh, that's strong. These taste like the gherkin you get in McDonald's burger. Not that I've had a McDonald's burger for a very long time, but it's very specific taste, and this tastes just like that. Oh, I'm not sure how I feel. I thought if it tastes like the Monster Munch pickled onion, that'd be different, but that's pickled onion, not a gherkin, I guess. So it's a pickle flavour. Oh, I'm not sure about these. I have to try another one. Well, I'll eat them. They're not awful, they're just very peculiar. Oh, they're very strong and very peculiar. I like this. So best eaten whilst mindlessly scrolling. So yeah, there's those. My god, that's strong. Literally tastes just like the gherkins. If you like the gherkin that you get in McDonald's burgers, these are for you. I'll also link this box down below in the description if you want to check it out. I don't know if there's any sort of referral codes that helps you get any money off anything. If there is, I'll share it. But if you fancy getting a subscription box or just a one-off box, I do really recommend them. But I mean, these aren't selling it though, are they? The next thing is banana crisps, delicious savoury snack. Savoury banana. Mixed herb flavour. So that's them. Woo! Obviously, gotta try it. I'm gonna give myself a hernia trying to open it. Come on. Smells like dry banana, which is expected, I guess. Banana chip. This is not selling this. Oh no. I chose the wrong month to share this on YouTube. You know, you get like salted banana crisps, I think. And they're not too bad. And you can, yeah, they're not too bad. But these, the mixed herb. It's like sweet, but not. There for Sean. Next item, please be something nice, for goodness sake. Smoked almonds. I have a feeling there might not be any chocolate in this box because of the weather being so warm. I feel like sending chocolate would be a risky business because obviously the box I think comes from Scotland, so it obviously melts on the way down. So I don't think there'll be a chocolate in here. So that's why it's mostly savoury. Smoked almonds, yeah, so let's see. Please be nice. Oh, they're strong. Oh, they're good. From the brand Cheetahs. They're nice. Very, very strong. It's basically like eating a salted peanut, but it's almonds. So they're very tasty though. Very strong, which is good. A lot of flavour to them. I could probably eat the whole pack very quickly. And they're not too hard either. I find sometimes with nuts, it's gonna like hurt my teeth, like being too hard. So, another one. One more, then on to the next. Next item is, ooh, this is heavy. Bosch Epic Chocolate Fudge Cake. Ooh, this is good. So basically Bosch are a vegan brand, and all I need to make this cake is a plant-based butter and milk and golden syrup. And all the ingredients are in here. This is really heavy actually. What's in here? A couple of boxes ago, I got the Bosch lemon cupcakes. I made a video baking them with my almost 2-year-old, which was actually more of a success than I thought it would be, but it was still a bit hectic. Ow! Oh, do you mind? So I can confirm the Bosch are very good. So you get the fudge icing powder, the cake mix, yeah, and then what's this? Cake mix. Oh, it's like a 3-layered or 2-layer cake. Oh, that's going to be delicious. I do really recommend Bosch's cake kits. Haven't tried this one, but it's chocolate. What's not to love? Oh, I'm looking forward to this one. It's really heavy. No wonder my box was, or something else in there, it's really heavy too. Gosh, that would have cost a fortune to post. Next thing, Sunkist Chewy Candy, sour, strawberry and grape. Ooh. Right, let's see how sour these are, because I always find a lot of sour sweets are not even sour. I don't know who they're testing things out on, but I never find them very sour. It's not that sour. A grape flavoured sweet. Reminds me of like America. I feel like you don't really get that many grape flavoured sweets in the UK. It's very American. Whenever you like get like a bag of Jolly Ranchers or whatever when you're in America, they always have grape flavoured stuff. And what I really like about these actually is they're not too chewy. You know, you get the straws, they're vegan, but I find they're really sticky and they'll stick to your teeth. These on the other hand are a bit more, well, they're sort of firmer, so they're easier to chew without getting stuck in your teeth. I would like to eat all of these, but I will save some for Sean. Also, although it pains me to say it, my dentist won't be happy if I ate these. I do have too many fillings, so therefore I probably shouldn't eat these. Such a shame. Right, next item. Ooh, Faith in Nature Dragon Fruit Body Wash. Nice. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, that smells nice. That smells nice. It's like the thing where you want to drink it, obviously you wouldn't. Oh, I can't wait to use that. I'm not the biggest fan of Faith in Nature shampoo and conditioner, I have to admit, because I find it doesn't really, I feel like it cleans my hair properly. I used to go to a refill place which only did Faith in Nature, and it just was no good. My hair just wasn't ever feeling clean. So I'm not the biggest fan of Faith in Nature shampoo and conditioner, but body wash you can't really go wrong. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that because that does smell really nice. I want to sniff it again. An aeroplane. Right, how many items do we have left? One item left, which is, oh, I've been shaking this around. I shouldn't have been shaking it. It's a drink, Tenzing, natural energy, purely from plants, pineapple and passion fruit. Green coffee, is it coffee? Can I have it now? What time is it? 2 o'clock. I might have it now. Right, okay, I'm gonna drink it. Natural energy. I've seen these bouncing around, I've never tried one. So we'll give it, oh, is it fizzy? It shouldn't be fizzy. Please don't be fizzy. Now you confused me. It made a noise like, well, we're gonna find out. It smells nice. Oh my god, please don't be horrible. It is fizzy. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, the first sip is nice. The fizz is a bit mellow, shall I say. I don't know if I make sense when I say this, but if you've had like a more natural fizzy drink, and you compared it to like a Sprite or a Coke, there's obviously a big difference in how fizzy they are. The more natural fizz is more subdued, mellow, you know? It sort of puts me off a bit. I feel like it's like a fizzy drink going flat, if that makes sense. So I've never really been too keen on more natural fizzy drinks. I'd rather just have like a juice or something, or just water over a more natural fizzy drink. I'm gonna stop saying a more natural fizzy drink now, because I've said it about 20 times. But this actually is quite nice. So the flavour is good, but it's like the pineapple, artificial pineapple flavour kind of has a bit of an edge to it. But all in all, it's very nice. It's better than, at least has flavour, because sometimes you get these natural drinks which have like a hint, it's just water with a hint of flavour, and you're like, green coffee, pineapple, BCAA from corn, whatever that means, acerola, lemon juice, green tea, passion fruit, beet and fruit sugar, Himalayan rock salt, low calorie and sustainable, carbon negative, non-GMO, 100% vegan, infinitely recyclable. You got me with the words. How many items is that? Well, I just realised I had a cookie in this box. I just was packing everything up, and I just opened the box and there's a sneaky cookie. A vegan hazelnut chocolate praline soft baked filled cookie by Rhythm 108. 8 things I received today. Also, one thing with this book is, one thing with this box is you get like, here's a list of all the things I got. And it does say that with the, I got lucky. So I got the Bosch chocolate cake, but I could have got the banging brownie mix, which doesn't really fancy. I prefer cake over brownie. And these, I could have got a orange one or just a fruit mix. Strawberry and grape, definitely the best option there. So yeah, that is what is in my vegan lifestyle box this month. Obviously everything is vegan, that's the whole point of it. I will have to say this box isn't as good as they have been in the past. I do think the weather has put a bit of a dampener on that, because it's too hot to send sweet treats. So that's a shame. But like I said, everything we're eating, like I said, I will leave the link to the box I received down below. The vegan supermarket is an actual shop, so I guess the idea of the subscription box is that you sample the things they've got in store, and if you really like something, you can then obviously buy it from their shop directly, which is quite a good idea. I haven't done it yet, but one of the things I got in a box a couple of weeks ago was a vegan Kinder Bueno. It was delicious. It's from the company Love Raw. Amazing, amazing chocolate. When I first discovered this shop, I can't believe they've invented a vegan Kinder Bueno. It's one of the best things ever, because that is one chocolate bar that I didn't think I'd ever get to have ever again going vegan, but now I can have it, so that's perfect. So I got that in my vegan lifestyle box a couple of months ago, weeks ago, whatever I said, and I haven't bought them again yet, but they are going in my basket soon. I guess that's it for this week's video. It's a bit of a random one, but it's nice doing a different type of unboxing video as opposed to my usual Stitch fixes. If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to, please do hit that subscribe button. Love for you to join the gang. Also follow me on Instagram, why not? I like to post some stories quite a bit over there, so if you fancy doing that, I'll leave my link on the page now. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you next time, bye.